Yeah, so check this out. That all nice and filled up in there. You can watch this shit drip, bro. Why? Why must you do this to me, number 4? Okay, bro, here's how I know I'm on time. You can see there, I'm 1 link away from the timing mark. And if we go over here, I'm 1 link away from the timing mark. And if we go way down here, I am 1 link away from the timing mark. I just don't feel like turning the crank the rest of the way. Let's check this shit out. Okay, so this is the 4-foot piece after my cats. The flex pipe down there connects to the headers, and up here we connect to the rest of the exhaust. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear that on video or not, but you hear a lot of rattling around in there like I was talking. So shaking a little bit like I was talking about, getting all that shit out. You know, you can hear the rattling around in there. Okay, now let's look down here. Okay. Oh wow. Looks interesting, right? Yeah. So this shit makes no sense. Okay, so I come over here and let's turn the power on. Power on. Okay, I'm gonna come back over here. Now keep in mind, see my temperature gauge there is all the way down. Then why in the fuck are my fans on? Car's not even running. Ain't even got a spark plug in it. What in the fuck? It's a cheap ass eBay chrome finish right there, guys. You can tell which one's been misfired. Only one's still chrome. Only fucking thing my car's good for anymore, dog. guys, I'm not sure if you could tell from the previous clip, but I did end up having to rewire all of my spark plug wires. There are 3 of them to each coil pack. The reason for that is because over time those spark plug or those coil pack plugs dry rot, and when they dry rot they contain a little metal clip on the inside of them, and that metal clip will no longer make a connection with the inside of the coil pack, causing dead misfire in the cylinder because there's no spark at all. Hence the chop in the previous video. Did just kind of throw all these together throughout the process. I did learn a lot throughout the process though about rebuilding a motor, because I did end up replacing the piston rings and rod bearings and things like that throughout the rebuild as well. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Have a great day. Share love in the world, not hate, and have a great day.